To obtain a new Venmo card, start by opening the Venmo app and logging into your account. Once logged in, locate the Cards option situated next to the home icon and click on it. This will lead you to an option to sign up for a Venmo debit card, which you should select. A screen will then appear, prompting you to choose the Get a Venmo debit card option at the bottom. Next, customize your card by selecting a color from the available options and click Next. You will then be asked to confirm your address. Enter your address details, and a confirmation message will appear, indicating that your Venmo debit card is on its way. After that, create a PIN for your card by entering your desired PIN and clicking Next. Following these steps, your new card will be delivered to your home address within 2 to 3 business days.